In this video, we will show you how to change language on Microsoft Outlook interface. If you're using Microsoft Outlook, maybe you want to change the language to your main language, for example. In my case, okay, this is using English. If you want to your main language, you can just click Files and choose Settings, or you can go to this button. It is the same. Just click Settings after that and go to General tab, okay, and then choose language and time, and you can set the language here. For example, we want to choose into another language. Okay, let's just using Belgian and save after that. Then all of your interface become Belgian here. You can see. Okay, you can see there. Now when you click the new mail, also it is using Belgian. To refer back, also you can set back into your language. Okay, for example here, just select language that you want to change once again. And that's all, tutorial how to change language on Microsoft Outlook interface. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.